After the guest confirms the summary of the reservation details, which includes the arrival and departure details, they can now proceed to the step of the booking process wherein they will be required to fill out their guest details. Guest details. This is the part where the guest will have to fill out information needed for the reservation. The total number of guests is based on the total occupancy of the selected rooms. On the credit card details portion, a no prepayment reminder is highlighted in yellow to remind the guest that there will be no charge for making a reservation. However, the guest needs to provide his or her credit card number for pre-authorization. On the credit card type portion of the page, credit card types are arranged according to the most used credit card. Card types are arranged according to the most used credit card. Card expiration date can be within the current month and year. Guests can select the credit cards that can be processed by the hotel. This will be listed in the card type drop-down in Step 4 of the Internet Booking Engine. For reservations made with a payment policy of 100% upon arrival, on the no prepayment reminder, the word pre-authorized is hyperlinked. When clicked, this will open the pre-authorization FAQ window. To confirm reservation, make sure that you tick the terms and conditions. The pre-authorization FAQ is for guests who have concerns regarding the pre-authorization process required for reservations made under hotel process payment. Terms and conditions are also stated under the terms of reservation. A reminder is highlighted in yellow to remind the guest that the prepayment will be charged within 1 to 2 days. This is placed right above the confirmation button. The 48-hour window allows the hotelier to validate the credit card provided by the guest is not fraudulent, has sufficient funds, and the like. Reservations made with a payment policy of pay upon booking refundable. Terms are also stated in the terms of reservation. The reminder is also shown for pay upon booking non-refundable. For reservations made with a payment policy of pay upon booking non-refundable, terms are also stated in the terms of reservation.